Zero-emission logistic, which is a target of all the industry, is already possible today. And that is the most important message. We are here today in Hamburg at the Unicate terminal alongside the ECG Conference 2024. We have ordered a nice weather for Hamburg and it arrived just in time. Excellent. We are presenting our road rail link solution, which is basically a connector which enables us to load any rubber-wheeled vehicle onto rail wagons.
New in the market for the automotive industry is the perfect combination of inbound and outbound flow, with the 4-fold containers with ramps to load cars and vans. For inbound flows, the containers can be filled with components for the factory, and outbound, the folded container can be used as flat track to load cars, SUVs and vans.
You can see behind me all kind of loading schemes which we are doing, and in particular new today is, and a real innovation, that we can load car carriers on rail wagons in order to make logistics for cars much easier. These car carriers are semi-trailers. They can be loaded in the factory and can be delivered to the customer in different modes. First mile can be done by electric truck, last mile can be done by electric truck, and the long distance can be done by rail. We are doing already trains in Spain, we are doing trains in France, we are doing trains in Poland, in Germany, in Italy, crossing the Alps. The product is ready for the whole continental traffic. We expect that together with the industry we can develop projects further, and it's an ongoing process. But the threat out there that we have to save CO2 and that we don't have enough drivers is existing, and we are presenting a solution.